Hello, woodworking enthusiasts. Today, we're going to discuss the usefulness of woodworking as a skill. Whether you're a beginner or contemplating picking up woodworking, this video will shed light on the practical benefits it offers. So, let's get started. Woodworking is more than just a hobby or craft. It's an incredibly useful skill that can enrich your life in numerous ways. Let's explore some of the reasons why woodworking is so valuable. First and foremost, woodworking allows you to create custom and unique pieces. Instead of settling for mass-produced furniture or generic home decor, you have the ability to design and build items that perfectly fit your taste and needs. From custom cabinets to personalized wooden gifts, woodworking empowers you to bring your creative vision to life. Woodworking also fosters problem-solving skills. Every project presents its own challenges that require critical thinking and finding solutions. Whether it's figuring out the best joinery technique, overcoming measurement obstacles, or resolving structural issues, woodworking encourages you to develop problem-solving abilities that extend beyond the workshop. Moreover, woodworking promotes a strong attention to detail. Precision and meticulousness are essential in woodworking, as even the smallest error can affect the final result. By honing your attention to detail, you not only improve the quality of your woodworking projects, but also cultivate a mindset that values thoroughness and accuracy in other areas of your life. Woodworking can also be a fulfilling and stress-relieving activity. Engaging in woodworking allows you to disconnect from the hustle and bustle of daily life and immerse yourself in a calming, hands-on process. The rhythmic sounds of sawing, the feel of wood under your hands, and the satisfaction of creating something tangible can provide a sense of relaxation and rejuvenation. Another practical benefit of woodworking is the ability to repair and restore items. Instead of discarding furniture or wooden objects that have seen better days, you can use your woodworking skills to breathe new life into them. Woodworking empowers you to extend the lifespan of your belongings and save money in the process. Last but not least, woodworking cultivates a sense of accomplishment. The journey from raw materials to a finished project is incredibly rewarding. Seeing your hard work, creativity, and craftsmanship culminate in a beautiful and functional piece generates a sense of pride and boosts self-confidence. The satisfaction gained from completing woodworking projects can inspire you to take on new challenges and continuously improve your skills. In conclusion, woodworking is undeniably a useful skill that offers a wide range of benefits. From the ability to create customized pieces to fostering problem-solving skills, attention to detail, relaxation, and a sense of accomplishment, woodworking enhances your life in meaningful ways. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more woodworking tips, tutorials, and inspiration. Let us know in the comments how woodworking has been useful in your life. Until next time, keep honing your woodworking skills and enjoy the satisfaction of crafting with wood. Happy woodworking!